Welcome traders to yet another educational video of Nifty Analysis, episode number 8. In my previous video, I had clearly mentioned that if Nifty spot closes above 11,250, then probably 11,340, 11,450, 11,670 and even 11,700 could be achieved. All my targets were achieved except 11,700. I guess it just missed by almost 5 points. Now, after this stupendous rally of almost 2 days, the million-dollar question is that whether the market will sustain at this level or will it retrace, or this rally will keep going further up. All right. To analyze this properly, I think we should go first and check the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, if we see properly, when this market bottomed out, the stochastic oscillator was oversold, and we can see a lot of positive candles in this zone, in this area where Nifty was at a very strong support level around 10,650, 10,700 levels. And even this particular candle was a very big hammer with green color. So it's a very good sign actually. But there is one small resistance in the weekly chart, which is at 11,550. You can see already a shooting star is being formed in the weekly chart, although today is not a Friday and the week has not come to an end. But as of now, we can see a little bit of selling is coming up in the weekly chart. Now let us go back to the daily chart and reanalyze the shorter term time frame. In the shorter term time frame, the candle which was made on 23rd September is a high wave candle. Now high wave candles coming up at important resistances after a very big rally is a sign that market is certainly overstretched at the upper levels. And after this high wave candle, we do have a strong doji candle. Now dojis again are a sign that market is in a state of uncertainty and it doesn't know where it wants to go. Now the question is, the correction which has started little bit yesterday, you can see a small doji, but it is in a green color, it's not in red in color. And today currently at 9:45 a.m. we can see that Nifty is down by 95 points. Now question is, will this correction continue or not? According to my analysis, first of all, we are in an uptrend. We can see prices are above the 50-day simple moving average. So we are surely in an uptrend. And I am not a sort of trader who will go and short stocks or an index which is in an uptrend. And I like to buy when market is rising or like to sell when market is falling. So basically the first thing is, in the daily chart, we are facing some sort of resistance at 11,750, 11,755 and also 11,700 due to this previous high in the Nifty spot. And since this rally has been just a 1 or 2 days rally, normally 1 or 2 days rally don't sustain in the market that easily. So it will not be surprising if market cools off and retraces a little bit. I will not be surprised by that. So there are two possibilities. Either the market might go sideways, just up and down every day. And another possibility is that market could retrace a little bit till 11,440, might be 11,300 and maybe even 11,170. But do understand one thing, that we are in an uptrend and this is not a view to go short in the market. This is just a technical view that market is overstretched. It seriously needs to cool off itself. Either it will consolidate, either it will come down and fill this gap, or might be take a small retracement. In all three scenarios, if the market dips, I would like to wait for this retracement to happen. And after this retracement, if second time, if I see the market rallying from here, then I would like to buy in that particular rally. So this is my thought process on the current market scenario in Nifty spot. In my next video, I'll try to share something even more interesting. Till then, trade well.